Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my course on getting started with software development using Cisco DevNet. This course primarily follows a company's software development of a web application and all the peripheral design and technical considerations along the way. You'll learn the fundamentals of software development, including development methodologies and design patterns, understanding the different types of APIs, version control using local and remote Git repositories, basic HTTP operations and components, how to utilize the Cisco Developer Network resources, and using Python to interact with real-life APIs. After completing this course, you'll understand how to design, develop, and manage simple software projects. This is a beginner's course, so there aren't many prerequisites. However, I'd recommend the following course. You'll need basic Python programming skills first. This includes data types, collections, loops, functions, and file management. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about software development and APIs in the context of Cisco DevNet at Pluralsight.